Ensure a secure and reliable testing process by confirming candidate identities before they begin their tests. Right now, without proper identity verification, there's a risk of impersonation, which can compromise test integrity and lead to unreliable results. With Know Your Candidate, you can confirm candidates' identities before they start their test, adding a strong layer of security and preventing impersonation. Before starting the test, candidates complete a quick verification process, system check, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth test experience. Personal information. Candidates provide basic details to confirm their identity. Photo verification. Candidates upload a selfie to match their identity. Video verification. A short recording adds an extra layer of validation. General instructions. Candidates review important guidelines before beginning. End the scene with a successful verification screen transitioning to the test start. This simple process eliminates identity-related concerns, giving you peace of mind and ensuring accurate, trustworthy results. Ready to make your assessments more secure? Enable Know Your Candidate with VCP today and test with confidence.